Hey guys, this is the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to enable and disable NFC on that device. So first, let's just open the settings application and then tap to connection section. After that, you'll see here the NFC and contactless payment switcher. Just to turn on or turn off the NFC, we should use this switcher. Just if you wanna turn on or turn off from here, from this section, just tap on the section and use the Wi-Fi. You will see here also the tutorial how you can use your device. So just if you want to change the contactless payment, if you get another application, just not the Google Pay, just another one, you can also switch it here. So also get one more way how we can turn on and turn off the NFC. Just first we should open the notification panel shortcuts and find here the NFC icon. If you just don't see this icon, if you have on this icon like in my case, just click here to this plus icon, and after that you'll see here this up section with the invisible buttons, with invisible options. Just hold for a while this NFC icon and drag it just to this down section, then tap to done, and we can see that we just successfully add the NFC option to our panel. Just to turn on and turn off NFC, we should just click on the icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.